In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an Elementor template kit in WordPress. Setting up an Elementor template kit can really kickstart your website design process with pre-designed layouts and sections, saving you a lot of time. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to make sure the Import-Export Template Kit feature is enabled in your WordPress settings. You'll begin by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to Elementor and then click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings area, look for the Experiments tab. It's important to have the Import-Export Template Kit feature turned on here. Enabling this option will ensure that Elementor knows you want to use the kit functionality. Having trouble finding it? Don't worry. The settings layout can vary slightly depending on your Elementor version, but a little exploration will get you there. Now that you've got that feature enabled, it's time to choose your template kit. You can either go to Templates and then Website Templates, or if you're already in the Elementor editor, simply click that little folder icon you'll find there, then select Kit Library. This will open up a world of potential designs right at your fingertips. Look for a kit that suits your brand's style and vision. Take your time here, viewing demos and browsing the overview until you find something that really resonates with what you want for your site. Once you've found the perfect match, click Apply or Apply. All if you want everything that Kit offers in one go. Now, as you're going through the process to add this kit to your site, you'll need to select which parts you actually want to import. Typically, this includes templates, content, and site settings. Each component offers different elements that can transform the look and feel of your site, so choose according to your needs. Maybe you just want the templates for a uniform look, or perhaps you need the full suite along with the content and site-wide settings for complete transformation. In some cases, especially if your kit contains SVG graphics, you'll see a prompt to enable unfiltered file uploads. This is a necessary step for SVG support. It's a simple adjustment, but crucial if your design relies on high-quality, scalable images. After you click to import, it's important to be patient. Sit back and wait for the process to complete. Depending on the size of the kit and your internet connection, this might take a moment. Once it's finished, simply click, close, and you're almost there. To wrap things up, you'll want to regenerate your CSS and sync the library. This action ensures that all new components are seamlessly integrated, maintaining the aesthetic and functionality of your site. Just head back to your Elementor settings if needed, and you should find these options readily available. And there you have it. Your Elementor template kit is installed and ready to give your WordPress site a fresh new look. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.